Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Cash App account even if you live in a country where it is not officially supported. It's tricky but still possible. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will need to find a US based phone number and address, and you can get these from the services like TextNow or any paid virtual providers, but make sure that they can receive texts and email. You can even find someone like your friend or any family member who is living in United States or UK, and you can ask them to arrange a spare mobile number, and with their help you can actually create or arrange the mobile number and the email address. Now you will have to simply come on cash.app website, or you can even download the Cash App mobile application for Google Play Store or App Store. Then if you are creating your account outside of United States and UK, I would highly recommend you to download a VPN. So you can use Node VPN because it is a paid VPN, and paid VPN provide you good service. I will also put the link of that down in the description. So after connecting that, you can just start your sign up process that include providing your email address and a bunch of other details. Then you need to fill out your full name, your date of birth, and provide your verification ID, a government ID, and selfie. Here you need to keep in mind that outside of UK and US there would be some feature that don't work, like adding money or sending peer-to-peer payments, but you can use the cash card, and then you can use that cash card for the international purchases, but only in the supported regions as well. And as I said earlier, it is possible, but it comes with limitations. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.